In this tutorial, we are building a journey. When a new campaign gets created on Mailchimp, event will be created on Google Calendar. So let's start. Select Mailchimp as a trigger. Next, choose Create Campaign as trigger event. Select an existing connection and click on Link an Account.
Now in steps, we have to create an event in Google Calendar.
For that, select Google Calendar. Choose Create Event as Action. Again, select an existing connection and click on Link an Account.
Select Calendar. Add fields using Mailchimp app data.
We are ready with our journey. Click on Save Changes and Start Journey. To check the output, let's go to Mailchimp. Create a new email campaign. Enter the campaign title. Click on Begin. Go to the campaign. Select Segment. Enter campaign specifications. And click Send. Then go to our journey to check the execution. Yes, it is executed successfully. Now go to Google Calendar. We can see a new event has been created on Google Calendar. In this way, we can create an automation journey to add a new Mailchimp campaign as an event on Google Calendar. I hope you liked this video. To know more and get help in building automation journeys, visit quickwork.co.